Welcome back to my channel. It's Brittany and Donut. So welcome to vlog number 16. I can't believe we're on 16. I can't believe it's August. Where did the year go? This year I was like, oh, I'm gonna be less busy than last year, but I'm doing less wholesale orders, but somehow so much more. Dude, you have litter all over your paws. Go up to your shelf. Okay, anyways, so let's see, this vlog, I had a show. I'll talk about that. I've got my sewing blurbs and a big old box from More Me Know from the August 1st release, and I do believe I have some new vinyls in this box. I haven't seen them yet. I've maybe seen them. I don't know when they're dropping unless I haven't looked. There might be a paper in here that tells me when, so I can tell you. I have a couple new makes to share, but they're not on here right now, so whoops. Okay, so I had a show last weekend. I'm starting this vlog like a week late. I'm already halfway through it. It was like a First Friday event in a city like 30 minutes northwest of me. Wasn't good. I was already like frustrated when I got there because the traffic was terrible, and then it was like I had to find a spot. It was like first come first serve, and I was late, and then my tent was like broken. Two of my legs on my tent, the like things won't pop out to hold the leg up, so I had to take my grid wall and put it under it. The way the grid wall works is it perfectly sits where the piece that goes up and down, it perfectly sits like right under the plastic piece, so being able to put it in there and zip tie it kept the tent from moving, but it was really hard to set it up on my own. I have two shows next weekend, so I might need to buy a new tent, or I'm gonna have my boyfriend look at it. I don't, it might be something silly, because the last time I used the tent was at Meow Fest and it stormed. I don't know if it was from it being wet and then I didn't actually pop it back open all the way. I'm not sure. But yeah, anyways, I won't do that show again, but it's fine. It was just a 3-hour thing and it takes me so long to set up that it just wasn't worth it, but it's fine. This next weekend I have the punk rock flea market, which sounds like a cheapy thing, but it's all like really nice stuff. So and they said that they like for you to have like a real good price variety, so if I have time to make anything this week, I'll try to make some little things. I might order some more of my cat headbands because I've been selling them like crazy at shows. So yeah, and then on Sunday I have the Akron Pickle Fest. I hate pickles. I hate everything about them. I think I already mentioned this in my last vlog, but it gets like really good advertisement. So, oh, there's George. All right, sewing blurbs. As always, there's a cute little sticker. These are rainbow. I'm gonna have to ask where they got the rainbow stickers because I think they're still the heat kind. I don't know. You want to say hi, George? He's so cute. He's such a good boy. Alright, let's see what we got. Everyone should have theirs by the time this goes up, but if for some reason you don't have it, don't look. Oh, this is cute. There's a pin. No risk, no magic. That's really cute. Alright. Oh, and there is a matching label for that. This one, nerdy, geeky. This one is spread a little magic. And then we have express yourself. I think this is Virgo. I don't know. Why am I not sure? Anyways, I should know that. I always get caught up on that one. Anyways, there is sewing blurbs. They're cute. And George, you're gonna have to move, bud. I gotta get into this box. It's a chunky boy. Alright. I got another magnet because I have 2 so far. But we have 2 cars and a refrigerator. I probably need to put one up on, there's like a vent, like a duct, and I put magnets on it, but yeah. So let's see here. I got a pink Sewing Ghost shirt. I'm really excited. And I love that the machine is pink. So it's tie-dye. So cute. I'm like, did I need another shirt? No. Was I not going to get it? Absolutely not. I got 2 yards of the black and white waterproof canvas roses. This is the one I used in my cat purse video. I really like it. Okay, let's see here. I gotta see what I actually ordered first. Oh, I have dates for stuff. Okay. Here's my hardware. Alright, so I got some pop tab zipper pulls. I add them to almost every order. I got, what are these called? What are they called? Ladder lock buckles. So, I should have used this on Thea's backpack last year, but I forgot that they existed. So her straps will not stay like adjusted. They just, yeah. But I'm making Dom a backpack for school this year. I'm gonna make a video. I've got to do that like this week. And then I might make Thea one, a new one. Ridiculous. And then I got the simple rectangle rings because always need those too. All right, let's see. Pop tab zipper pull, square rings, my magnet, my shirt, that. Okay, I got, where are the prismatic roses? Just get one? Yeah. Okay, so this was in the drop also. I have a roll here already, but I really like it, so I was like, I need more. I got, okay, so I had said that this was the little black dress, but Lauren had said they had to change it to little black outfit for some silly reasons. But so little black outfit is an Ace glitter vinyl. I absolutely love it. Okay. All right, let's see here. Raspberry, cranberry, blueberry, raspberry. All right, so this, ooh, it's like shimmery. There you go. This is raspberry. This is gonna be in September. Here's blueberry. So here, let me leave these down. Did I get cranberry? I might not have. Oh, I did. All right, I don't know like what other colors will be with them or anything, but raspberry, cranberry, and blueberry. See the shimmer on them? These are mid-weight. They feel nice. I like them. Ooh, I can't wait to use these. All right, so gotta make something soon with these. I don't know what yet. So that's September. For October, gonna be excited. I had shared this vinyl. It was one that I kind of just took from Lauren's house. She told me to take a couple months ago, and she wasn't sure if she was gonna get it, but I was like, Lauren, I think you should. I've used it a couple times. I've had people ask about it, so I'm happy to tell you you'll be able to get it in October. So this is hot pink, and then there is dreamy white. So I've been begging to get the Sprite fizzy glitter back, and Lauren said she couldn't, but this was with the pink, and I don't see any like cloud like whatever with it. It's just a really pretty white glitter, so I'll be stocking up because I need my white glitter back. Okay, so this is October, and then in November, these are clays. This is French green, and these feel so nice. It's almost like they feel more of like a faux leather. So this is French green, and this is Terra Rose. It's like a deep red. I feel like it's not as burgundy as it looks on the camera, but these are nice. And my note says December later, okay? So I'm glad I get to share these. So even if I drop the ball and don't make anything, I shared them. Remember that. But I'm gonna try to make something. So I'll share my makes later. I know I haven't done a lot of videos or whatnot, but my kids are off school for the summer and it is rough making videos. My son goes back on the 18th. He goes into 5th grade and he's going to a new school. And then my daughter goes back on the 21st. She's going into 1st grade. We still have not gotten out her sewing machine I got her for her birthday. I keep telling her soon, but I have a wholesale order I have to finish, and then on the 24th I leave for St. Louis for Sew Magical. I'm helping Lauren in her classes, and then I also have to work on finishing customs. So if you placed a custom, my goal is to have them done by September 1st. I think some people place their orders a little bit later, so theirs might be just like a week or two after that, but I'll have all those done soon. And then yeah, I sold out of the shimmery vinyl that I ordered. I still have some of the holographic, and I still have some of the pastel rainbow. I'm definitely gonna order more shimmer. I don't know about the other two. I might not. Anyways, yes, see you in the next clip. So I'm set up at the Kenmore like First Friday event in Akron, Ohio. And I had to do my setup differently because there's a tree in my way, and my tent's also broke. So I had to set everything up differently, but here it is. Alright, so time to wrap up vlog number 16. I have not gone live this whole 2 weeks. I was gonna go live tonight. Just tired. There it goes again. I've been working on a wholesale order, so I feel like I don't have much to show for what I've done, but it's a lot, so pretend you didn't see this. Oh, sneak peek. Anyways, I had a couple makes that I just didn't have down here, but I made this Tuesday tote. It's got this really cool Alice in Wonderland print. This went live last weekend in the Hex Reject group. It was in the Hex Reject vault, but I made it the whole way I like making them. So it's got the cargo slip pocket, a zipper, nice and roomy. I carry one of these when I travel. My laptop fits in it, and it still zips with it in it. I can put my laptop, my iPad, and like a notebook in it. So recessed zipper. It's got cute little purse feet. It's been in a bin. But I used the Fairy Floss thread on the Jacob black vinyl. It's so good. Still have it, but I have 2 shows this weekend, so hopefully it sells this weekend. And then Stitch Don't Kill My Vibe is doing a clear vinyl round, and it ends a couple of days after. Yeah, it ends on the 15th, so a couple days after this vlog. But this is a clear peekaboo I made, and then this is the like shimmer vinyl that I'm selling. I'm sold out of the shimmer vinyl. I'm gonna order more. It's really pretty. But I made a couple things with that. So I made a clear midnight kiss, and I used the pastel purple jelly vinyl I sell. And then how do I keep getting stuff? I don't know. I made a clear and jelly Devon. So this is the class I'm teaching. It's So Magical Expo in Florida this year. Those class signups I believe are on Tuesday. So, and then this is this the pastel pink? I should learn my own colors. This is my favorite mink that I've done recently. So I already put a video up for this. Look at it. I can't wait to make more of these. So the Could I Be Any Clear stadium bag from Sincerely Jen Patterns. The glitter pocket shaker thing I did. Oh, there's George. My friend Lauren has a video. I linked it in my video for this. But this Princess Peach vinyl is from Retro Stitch, and I think that round is ending like the day after this vlog goes up. This is the holographic vinyl that I am selling. I still have a couple rolls available. I think I might order more because look at that. Look on the inside. Oh, it's so cool. You could put that facing out too, but I really like that it's like special when you peek in. Yeah. So anyways, 2 shows this weekend. Really hoping they go well. It could rain this weekend. You coming up, George? I'm really hoping it doesn't, because after Meow Fest and then after one of my other pet events getting canceled, it's fine. Everything is fine. So let's see here. I'm still working on customs. I'm working on my wholesale order. Got the 2 shows. I'll try to vlog them a little bit better. Both of my kids start school in this next vlog, so there should be more videos again. Thanks for sticking with me, and I really appreciate it. I like how many people watch the vlogs. It's actually more than I thought it would be. We've got the Perfect Pals, the little membership thing on the channel, completely optional. I try to share a little bit extra to them, but truly just subscribing and watching means so much to me. So love you guys. See you later.